Emma D, and this is my first yo-yo. This yo-yo is about liquids and their different densities. The first step, I am going to pour the liquids into the cups. Up first is the honey. Next up is the corn syrup. Now is the dish soap. Next is the water. Next is the milk. Next is the vegetable oil. Last is the rubbing alcohol. Now I will add food coloring to the corn syrup and the rubbing alcohol. I'm going to put the red in the alcohol. This is how I measured the liquids to 60 milliliters. And now, is it about 60 milliliters? Before we move on, I would like to introduce you to my sister, which is my assistant, Becca. That we have measured the liquids, we will weigh and record the weights of the liquids. This is how I have recorded 60 milliliters of liquid. The number is 91.90 grams. Sorting them by weight. Just a reminder, the corn syrup is green and the rubbing alcohol is red. Since honey weighs the most, it will go in first. Next up, corn syrup.
How is she making a yo-yo?
Corn syrup is a lot easier to push in than the honey. This is dish soap that I'm going to be putting in the bottle. Milk. I have to go very slow for the milk. Next is water. You may not be able to see it very well, but it is going in right over the milk. Pouring in right now is vegetable oil. And if you cannot see it, it is lightly going over the water. This, surprisingly, is harder to push than some of the other ones that we have been doing. It's actually much harder than water to do for some reason. Maybe it's because it's lighter. This is alcohol. Now make sure while you are using alcohol that you are under adult supervision. Look at that. Indeed confirms my hypothesis that liquids are stackable.